Hey there, ever noticed your phone acting differently when you open a game? That's because game mode kicks in automatically. But what if you want to turn it off? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Before we dive in, tap that subscribe button to stay updated with more helpful tutorials like this. Your support means a lot. Step 1. Launch any game. Open any game on your phone, like Temple Run, Asphalt, or your favorite shooter. On most phones, game mode is activated automatically when a game starts. Step 2. Swipe down from the top corner. While in the game, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. This may vary depending on your phone model. You'll see a small bar or notification showing that game mode is active. Step 3. Tap to disable game mode. Look for something labeled Game Mode On or the game's name. Just tap on it and you'll get a message that says game mode is now off. That's it. Keep in mind, turning off game mode will disable certain features like Do Not Disturb while gaming, Performance Boost, or Accidental Touch Protect, but your game will still run just fine. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to turn off game mode on your Android or iPhone. If this helped you, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.